Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's always my pleasure to come your way with a good video. Today in this video, we'll learn how to use the Intellij IDE alongside with Java language to create a GUI, that is graphical user interface, that looks exactly like what you are seeing on the screen here. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. So let's see how this interface functions. So here you enter your name, that's the name section. You'll be able to enter a name here, and then you click on the click me, and then it will give you a feedback message. You can see here it says Francis hello. So let's see how we'll be able to create something similar to this right here on this channel. So the next thing you'll be able to do, or you are going to do, is to go and install the IntelliJ application, which is right here. If you have it installed already, go ahead and open that, and then we are going to create a new project inside this IntelliJ application. So you come to the file section, click on new, and then go to the project section, and then you give your project a title. So I'm going to name it demo. So sorry. So this is my project demo. Now I'll click on create, and then I'll want it to run on a new window. So I'll click on new window. Now we are going to delete this main function because we'll be using another main function inside this project we have created already. So we are going to clear this main method, sorry. So you right click on the main here, and then you click on delete, and you delete this main method. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the src. You right click on that, and then you go to the new section, then you come to this section and scroll down to swing UI designer. From there you go to the GUI form. So we're going to use this form to create our GUI interface. So here you give your form a title. So I'm going to name it hello demo. Then I'll click on OK. Now you can see here we have two files inside this project. One is hello demo.form, and then the other is hello demo.java. So inside this Java file, that's where our codes will be written, and then this file is where we'll be designing our GUI interface. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on the J panel here, and then you set this layout manager. You can see a great layout manager. You set it to IntelliJ, so it's already on IntelliJ. You leave it as it is, and then we are going to give this J panel a title. You can see the file name here. We are going to name it um, panel main. Then the next thing we want to do is to go to this section here, and then we'll drag and drop this J label on our file that will be doing the designing. So you drag and drop it here, and then we are going to give this J label a title here. That's the file name. So here we can leave it as it is. Then we scroll down here, we'll come to the text section. That's the label here. We change the label to enter name. So we want to write here enter name. So I can say enter name. And then the next thing we will be doing is to click or drag and drop the text, the JText field as well. So I'll do that here too. I'll bring it to this section, and then I'll give this one to the field name. I will want to change this one to text name. So txt txt name, sorry, that's text name. Then I'll scroll down to the text section here. What would I want it to contain? I'll write here text name. And then there is one last thing that we'll be doing, which is the J button. So I'll do that too as well, and I'll bring it to this section. So with the J button, I'll change the button 1 here to B BTN click, and then I'll come to the text section. I'll change that to click me. Now we have to rearrange this. I'll bring this one to this section. That is it. Sorry, this section is not needed. I can leave here because we'll be entering a text here. So we can take away this text name. Now let's look at the file that will contain our code. You can see there are codes that are already generated for us. So the next thing we'll be doing is to go back to the hello demo form, and then we want to see how far we have gone with this project. So you right click on any section here, and then you click on the preview to see how your form looks like. So this is how the form will look like. This is the name section here, that's enter name. So you can enter your name here, any name you want to enter, and then you click on the click me, which will give you back the message you want. But here click me is not yet functioning because we haven't yet put in any functionality that will make it function. So let's see how we'll be able to do that in the next section. So now we want to add some functionalities to the click me. So you come to this section. Let's close this. You come to the click me, you click on it, then you right click on it, and then scroll down to create listener. Then you select the action listener, then you click on OK. This has already generated some code for us automatically. So we have to put in some few codes that will make it functionable. So before we do that, you come to this section, the public class demo, and then we'll add some few code, that is extends jfile, a jframe, sorry, extend jframe. And then we come down here, we enter j option pane dot show message dialog, sorry. Then inside this bracket, I'm going to enter btn click comma text name dot get text. And then we come outside this bracket, plus what do you want this text to contain? So put in hello. So inside this curly brace, we are going to now type in our main method. So that is psvm, that's public static void main. Then here we are going to text in hello, sorry, hello demo, that is h is equals to new hello demo. Then we'll bring our semicolon, we'll come down, we do h dot set content pane, which is the panel name or the panel main. So we are going to write in h dot panel main. Then we also set the title as well. So we can say h dot set title. And what do we want the title to be? That is hello. So I can put it in parentheses and then quotations. So I can say hello. And then we also set the size to, so h dot set size. So we want the size, the width and the height to be, let's say 300 and then 200. And then we also set the visibility as well. That's visible. So I can say h dot set, sorry, visible. Then we'll put that one to true. Then there's another thing we'll be doing, which is the default. That is h dot set default close operation. So we select that. Then we'll put in exit exit underscore, sorry, exit underscore on underscore close. So these are some of the few codes we'll be adding that will make the click me functionable. So now let's go back and run the code once again and see the outcome. So I'll come here and run the code. Now you can see here, let me maximize this. Say enter name. Let me write in the name I want to enter. Say John. Then I'll click on the click me. Ooh la la. Here it is. So say John, hello. So this is simple how you create a GUI using IntelliJ with the Java language. And if you have any comment, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. Thank you for coming to the channel. If you learn anything, let me know in the comment section as well. And before we leave the channel, please make sure to subscribe and like our video. Also share the content so that when we create a new video, you get notified as soon as possible. I thank you for coming to the channel today, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.